Good morning. So I'll just be walking through the script installation guide. So yeah, let me just get started. I'll be installing the script from code list. So let me just head over to code list real quick. Yeah. So yeah, I'm on code list. Now here's the thing is okay. I'm going for mobile because Flutter is my my framework, my stack. So let me click on mobile. So here you see like couple of or a bunch of mobile applications built with different frameworks. But yeah, I think I want to use ParkMePRO. I kind of just like this one particularly. So let me click on it, and then yeah. So to install the script, I'm just going to use this first link at the top, and then here. All right, so Park Me Pro, the zip file is 117 megabytes. So I'll start the download and then pause the video to just complete it real quick. Yeah, so let me pause the video, download, and then come back when it's done, just so I don't waste more time on the screen waiting for the download to get completed. All right, so I think I downloaded twice. Sorry. Yeah, okay, so my download is done basically. So let me just head over to my yeah, let me locate it in the folder. Yeah. So this is it. I okay, yeah, so my file it's unzips for me. So I've unzipped the zip folder, and then now here in Pack Me Pro I have Code Canyon. So this is yeah, this is the ParkMePRO. Pro. This is the source code. This is documentation. Basically, this is where you see everything you need. Yeah. Um. So I'm mostly concerned about the mobile. That's the application. So I'll just go down to application setup. So here, these are the major steps and guide to run the application on your device, on your code editor or any one of your choice. So we are over. Um. So let me just go ahead and open. Okay, so I'm using applications. Yeah. So I don't need the web also. I'm using applications. So I'm just going to. Okay, this has been I've unzipped this. So let me just click on application and then ParkMe Pro. All right, so here it is. ParkMe Pro has three mobile applications. They have the customer app, the owner app, and the watchman app. So for this one, I think I would like to go with the customer app. Yeah. So this is the Android folder. This is basically the folder for the customer application. So yeah, instead let me just open this in my VS Code real quick. Let me come to my VS Code and open new folder. Right. Under new folder, I'll just go to open and then come to download. Then go to where my file is. Park Me Pro, Code Canyon, source code, and then application, Park Me Pro, customer app. Then I just click on open. All right. Yeah. So all right. So if I just all the packages and dependencies that I'm using or I'll need to be using on this particular. All right. So yeah, we're good. We're done. So the files have been the dependencies and packages have been updated. Right. So I just need a couple of seconds for it to get done totally. Yeah, so yeah, my dependencies have been updated. Well, so this is just a quick flow. This is how the application will look on, yeah, on my device. So I might just need to run it locally or so, and then that is it. So let me go back to this. Right. So out here is, this one is the owner app. It's the same thing. You just run it down in the machine on your local editor, and then you're good to go. But for, let me go back to this documentation. Right. So this one, like here, you just have a guide. It's how to install, update. Okay, open the Android here. Under Android manifest, yeah, I can change the package name and all. So right, then default config. Yeah, yeah. This one is here for iOS. So I have to change the package name. I need to run Flutter clean. Yes, I can do all that. Yeah, I have to change the Flutter app name. This one can be done. Yeah. So yeah, this is the basic setup and the basic walkthrough of how the entire application works or how it will work. Yeah, I think that is that for now. So if there's any question, yeah, I think you can just reach out and then yeah, you can reach out to me and I'll clarify that. But besides that, these are like the major setups that are left. This one's for the map. This how to change Google Map key. Yeah, this to enable you access your map. You need to pass in your unique key in order to be able to access it. Then yeah, I think that is that for now. Alright, so I'll be ending the video here, and then so thank you very much.